This is Attunement 101, getting your relationship back in sync. We want to move from dysfunction to a state of harmony. These are the foundations for how attunement works in the brain. Now, attunement is essentially that we are on the same wavelength. It does not necessarily mean that we are on the same page, but it's when we get one another. It's when I notice that you notice what I notice. You get me? To get there, we need to be active listeners. There are three basic steps of this dance: reflection, empathy, and response. Your relationship will not thrive until you do these with a sustainable level of success. That's because this is hardwired in our brains from infancy. This is the learning cycle. Mom holds up a ball, says the ideal word, we make a botched attempt to match it, mom celebrates, we realize we nailed it, and we do it again. It feels good. It's a three-step dance and it leaves us wanting more. In this moment, we don't just learn, we bond, we attune. Now, you might think that learning takes place in step one. The teacher told them, so now they know. Some people think step two, because this is where the student practices. But our memory circuits don't encode until step three, when we see that we did something correct and someone positively noticed. Now, in that moment, in terms of growth, we move from danger to safety with that person. We build trust and we move from incompetence to a state of competence. Now, in a twist of fate, it creates not only attunement, but freedom from an unhealthy codependence, and instead, independence. It's a three-step dance, and we'll walk you through it in the next video.